as you can see, or maybe not see, this is starting to smoke up a bit now, so I'm just going to have a quick check. I'm going to give that a couple more seconds. These literally cook in seconds, maybe a minute maximum. Oh, there we go, the little clicker's just gone off. Let's get this out and see what it looks like. So as you can see, it looks just like a regular waffle, but it's ketofied. Okay guys, so here is the final result. I filled mine with some egg, a fried egg, and some crispy bacon. And actually this one is for my son, so I've got a bit of barbecue sauce in there as well, because that's what he loves. I'm quite excited to try. Give it a go. See you later. Just a little zoom in there. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making Keto Chaffles. These are basically cheese waffles. So for that we're going to need half a cup of grated cheese and 1 egg. I'm going to be filling mine with some crispy bacon and probably another egg. So all we need to do is we put our half cup of grated cheese, I'm using mozzarella, into our bowl. We're going to crack our egg. I'm personally going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to my mix. We're just going to whisk that up to form a small amount of batter. Now this would do 2 chaffles, so you can make a sandwich, kind of like a McDonald's McMuffin or something like that. So I'm just going to wait for this to heat up and I'll be back in a second. Okay, so our waffle maker is heating up nicely. I'm just going to spoon a small amount of the mixture. Now I've sprayed this with some spray oil just to stop it from sticking. Now we're going to watch that puff up in seconds.